Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about pages that have between 1001 and 2000 words of content. This can be seen in the reporting tab or reporting page under the summary tab of our SEO tools. Now this content really just shows pages that have got a decent amount of content on them. It's got a green thermometer next to it to indicate that this is all good and that there's no particular error. And if you click the drop down menu, you can see that that's basically what this says underneath here. Now you also notice that there's two numbers next to each of these, one for the previous and one for the latest crawl. You can change the date of the crawls to compare this metric over time. So if you've done a website migration, or you've revamped the content on your website, or you've made any significant changes, or you've updated your canonical tags, for example, you can just see that these numbers make sense and they look like what they should do. We also show the difference in this column here. This is in red, indicating that we have actually more pages now that have this fall into this bucket. And if you click on this number here, it will take you through to all the pages that meet this criteria. You can see all of these pages, download it to CSV, and you can also sort that from highest to lowest, so you can see which have the most and the least content on these pages. Now under the SEO audit section, which you can find in the left-hand menu, you'll be able to navigate to what we call our SEO audit page, which is a section of the site which visualizes this data. Now the canonical tab of this, which I've got selected here, this shows you a breakdown of the canonical pages and the amount of content, or the amount of pages, sorry, the amount of words and the amount of pages that fall into those different categories. And you can see here what the distribution looks like. You can also use our competitor analysis tool, which we cover in more detail in another video, in order to understand how you benchmark that against your competitors. Maybe all of your competitors have lots and lots of content, and you want to really revamp the content on your site to match that so that you're more competitive. We also show all of the data here, and again, all of these numbers are clickable. You can go through and see all of the data in that particular page. From here, you can also click a chart to see all of the data in that page. And here you can download a CSV file of the data in the chart, or you can download an image of the chart so that you can use it in any kind of report that you want to build. Okay, so that's probably everything you need to know about pages that have 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on them. And if you'd like to know more about canonical information or canonical content, please check out one of our other videos. Thanks for watching.